guys, welcome back to our chemistry class. Today we're going to cover the material we learned during our last lesson. We will talk about acid and bases, their general characteristics, how are they different. Then we're going to talk about where you can find acid and bases, what are the three areas that we're going to look in, and later I'm going to cover the material that we're going to do for our next project. So let's begin the lesson. So who remembers from our lecture last time, what are the key characteristics of acid and bases? Remember, we were talking about the taste, the litmus paper, we were talking about physical properties. Who can tell me, what does acid taste like? That's right, acid tastes sour, just like the lemon. How about the base? What does base taste like? Yeah, base tastes bitter. You can hear the B base bitter. It's easy to remember. Okay, how about our physical properties? What does the base feel like if you were going to touch the base? Yeah, the base feels slippery and slimy. And what is something special that we know about acids? Does the acid feel slippery or anything? No, but acid has its own special property. It forms hydrogen gas. Okay, what are the other differences between acids and bases? Remember we were talking about the litmus paper test? If you were going to take a liquid and you were going to put a litmus paper in it and it turns red, what does it tell me? That's right, if the litmus paper turns red, then my liquid is an acid. And what color would the litmus paper turn if it was base? That's right, base was blue. Look guys, it's another BB, base blue. Okay, what else do we know about acids? We know that acid neutralizes bases and base neutralizes acids. That's right, so let's move on and see what else we know. Oh, who can tell me, why do we need to care? Why is it important to learn about acid and bases? That's right, all liquids, almost all except the water, are acids or bases. Acid-base reactions are essential to living systems, and there are many industrial applications for acid and bases. Let's see, where can we find acids or bases? Can we find bases in food? That's right, in food, most of our vegetables, salads, fruits, herbs, potatoes, and soy products are basic. You can see on the picture, most of our greens are all basic. Celery, cucumber, salad, spinach, broccoli, and avocado. Okay, what are the examples of acids? Let's see, in foods we can see lemon, grapes, tomatoes, oranges, or milk. In household items, as we mentioned, it's vinegar. And then the human body, gastric acid and DNA are also acidic. What are examples of bases in household items? We know that baking soda is basic, cleaning supplies, they're all kind of slippery, remember? And our bases are slippery. Soaps, bleach, toothpaste, creams, and liquid drain cleaner is the most basic solution you can have. But what are the examples of acids in household items? As we mentioned before, vinegar, batteries. Batteries are the most acidic you can have. That's why they say when you don't want to throw away batteries, you want to recycle them, because they're too acidic. And the pool cleaners are also acidic. Okay, and what are the examples of acids and bases in human body? We know, as you can see here, saliva is neutral. Our skin is slightly acidic. It helps prevent bacteria growth. We also know that our stomach contains hydrochloric acid. It's very, very acidic, so it breaks all the food that goes in our stomach. And then we know that our small intestine contains alkaline fluids. So, what's next? For our next project, we will divide the class into 3 groups. Our first group will be doing a research on acid and bases in food and cooking. Our second group will work on acid and bases in household items. And third group will work on acid and bases in human body. So what are the things you guys need to do? Each group will be researching on their topic using the provided websites. I will provide the websites that I want you to read. You can also use your textbooks to get the information that you need. And then each group will have to complete the provided questionnaire and answer the questions about their topic. I will give you guys worksheets that you have to fill in, answer the questions, and I think there are a couple tables that you'll have to create and fill. And then at the end, each group will have to create a PowerPoint presentation where every member of your group will have to create at least one PowerPoint slide and present it as well. So I want to make sure that everybody is involved in the group. And that's it for today. I hope to see